Hey, possibly you're looking for the Penfed Credit Union car loan, and you are right here because you want to know more about this credit union and their car loan. Then that is exactly what I'm going to be discussing into this video. Welcome to this channel. I'm going to be going ahead talk about some key points regarding the Penfed auto loans. And aside that, I'm also going to go ahead and discuss with you some benefits and drawbacks, merit and demerit about these, credit union car loan, so that by the time you're done watching this video, you'll be able to know exactly what you should do, and you can use everything you've learned in this video to make the best decision. Now, let me go straight to the video and let's dive in. Now, the Penfed Credit Union car loan, as you can see, generally the Penfed Credit Union right here, you can see this is their website, the platform. You can see auto purchase loan benefits and a whole lot of stuff. Now, I'm certain that you have already seen these, so I wouldn't want to go ahead and start discussing about this. But one thing you need to know is that the Penfed Credit Union car loan, they provide members with the opportunity to finance the purchase of a vehicle through the credit union. Okay, so that is the first thing that you need to know. You can see new car, used car, new car buying services. You can see the numbers of months. Used car, auto purchase, and how to protect your vehicle with confidence. So now the first thing you need to know, the first key point you need to know, is a competitive interest rate. Now the Penfed often offers competitive interest rates on auto loans, okay, which can result in lower monthly payments and overall savings from borrowers compared to financing through other lenders. Okay, so that is the first point I want you to put into consideration. Okay, and also they have flexible terms, so you as a borrower, you can choose from various loan terms, which typically range from 12 to 84 months. Okay, which allows you, all right, you can see up to 84 months right here, although here we have 36 months, but sometimes they offers 12 to 84 months, which allows you to tailor the loan duration, okay, to your financial situations and budget. Okay, so it depends on the kind of car service that you need. Okay, some are 12 to 84 months, and also new and used vehicle, because with the Penfed auto loan you can use their funds to finance both new and used vehicle, okay, which provides flexibility for you as a borrower in choosing the car that best suits your need and preferences. Okay, they also have pre-approval options, okay, because with the Penfed you have pre-approval for loan, okay, for your auto loans, and it can allow you as a borrower to know how much you can borrow and the term of the loan before you even start shopping for a vehicle. Okay, so this can streamline your car buying process, and it can also provide peace of mind for you as a borrower. Okay, membership requirements also, you need to know that, because to qualify for a Penfed credit card union car loan, it is very important that you become a member of the Penfed Credit Union, which typically involves meeting certain criteria, okay, and eligibility, and opening a membership account. So you need to become a member before you will be able to be eligible for this. Now overall, the Penfed auto loans are designed to provide members with affordable and convenient financing options for purchasing a vehicle. Okay, so whether new or used, by offering competitive rates, flexible terms, and pre-approval options, then Penfed aims to make the car buying process smoother and more accessible to its members. And you can see they also have the vehicle protection plan. Okay, the coverage, the help you protect yourself from debt and several other stuff. There are also some questions right there. I'm certain that you might have checked all that. All right, so now let me talk about some merit and demerit about this credit union and the car loan. Okay, so the first merit that I have here is the competitive interest rate. Now with the Penfed Credit Union, they offer competitive interest rates on auto loans, okay, which can result in lower monthly payments, and I think I talked about it earlier, save borrowers money over the life of the loan compared to financing through other lenders. So this competitive pricing can make Penfed an attractive option for borrowers seeking affordable financing to their vehicle purchases. Okay, and just like I said, the flexible loan term, so which typically ranges from 12 to 84 months, for you to select a long term that aligns with your financial situation and budget. Okay, it allows you as a borrower to customize your repayment plan to suit your need. And also we talk about the pre-approval option, as you can see right here, your ability to pre-approve. And also what I like is the membership benefits, because becoming a member of Penfed Credit Union, it gives you the ability to get additional benefits beyond access to other loans. Okay, these benefits can include higher interest rates on savings account, also lower fees on other financial products, okay, and access to exclusive members discounts and promotions. Okay, so membership in the credit union can foster a sense of community and belonging among members. Okay, another one is the new and used vehicle financing. So just like the Penfed auto loans can be used to finance both new and used vehicles, which provides borrowers with flexibility in choosing the type of vehicle that best suits their need and budget. So whether you're purchasing a brand new car or a reliable used car, then the Penfed offers financing options to accommodate various preferences. Also, they have a very good customer service, okay, because their customer service is top notch, okay, and the representative often praised for their helpfulness and professionalism, okay. So convenience application process is what they also have, because they offers a convenience online application process for auto loans, which allows borrowers to apply, okay, from the comfort of their home at their own pace, okay. So the online application typically requires basic personal and financial information, which makes it easy for borrowers to initiate the loan process without the need for in-person visits to a branch, okay. So those are the merits that I see about the Penfed Credit Union, and let me go straight and talk about the demerit so that you can use this to factor two things together and you can know if this is still the best one for you to go for. Now, the first demerit that I have here is the membership requirement, because to access the Penfed auto loan, you as a borrower must become a member of the Penfed Credit Union, okay, which may involve meeting eligible criteria and opening a membership account. So while membership offers various benefits, the requirement to join a credit union may be a barrier for some people, okay, who are borrowers who may not prefer to establish a new banking relationship. That's the first drawback that I see, because you actually need to become a member for you to be able to get approval for any type of auto loan. If it's not something bad to you, then it's a good one for you then, okay. So another one is limited branch network, because the Penfed physical branch network, they may be limited compared to traditional banks. So particularly for borrowers located in areas where Penfed has fewer branch location, so this limited accessibility to in-person banking services could be inconvenient for some borrowers, okay, who prefer face-to-face interactions or need assistance with their auto loan. So not every borrowers are techies, some might need physical interaction, so that can be a barrier or a problem for a lot of people out there. But however, this is not also something too difficult, okay. Also, we have some potential fees, because like a lender, Penfed also, they may charge you fees associated with all the loans, okay, such as origination fees or prepayment penalties, okay. So why these fees may vary depending on the specific loan terms and borrowers credit profile, they can add to the overall cost of the loan, and they need to be carefully considered by you as a borrower whenever you are evaluating the financing options. So although this is not so that by you're paying up your debt you're good to go, okay, it shouldn't be a problem. All right, credit worthiness requirement also, because Penfed has some strict credit worthiness requirement for auto loan approval, including minimum credit scores and income threshold. So you as a borrower with less than perfect credit history or lower income, you may find it challenging to qualify for favorable loan, okay, favorable loan times, or you may likely face higher interest rates compared to borrowers who have stronger profile. So in case you don't have a strong profile, then Penfed might actually be a demerit. Again, you might feel like, oh, they're not doing well, they're treating me bad, but however, they really value credit worthiness, okay. Also, vehicle restriction, because Penfed may impose restrictions on the type of vehicle eligibility, okay, for financing on the maximum loan amount for certain vehicle types. So these restrictions could limit borrowers' choice when selecting a vehicle to purchase, or may require additional financing from other sources if the vehicle exceeds Penfed auto loan limits, okay. So now those are the things that I see about this credit union, okay. But however, all their drawbacks, all their demerits, they are not too that strict, okay, they are okay. So in case you want to go for this, you can go ahead and apply for the Penfed Credit Union, and possibly you are also able to get a car loan for yourself. So either used car or a new car, you can get them funded by the Penfed Credit Union. I believe this video has been helpful. If you have any experience with the Penfed, or maybe you're part of their association or a member, you can also let us know. Drop your thoughts in the comment box. Possibly whatever your experience, it can help other people to make the best decision also. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it, and I wish to see you in another video. You can go to my channel and check more videos out there to get loans, okay. And if you want videos for you to build good credit, also you can go to my channel. I have some videos there that can help you to build your credit. In case you have a bad credit, you can use them to build good credit. I have one which is called Applied Bank, and also the First Digital Bank credit card, the good one for you to build a good credit. Thank you very much. I'm going to be linking to them in the video description, so possibly it helps you out. That is what I have for you today. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.